Opening statement. Tonight, we gather not under one flag, faith, or nation, but under one sky, one moon, one unseen orbit. We come to realign what has been lost in the twisting of truth and separation of spirit. As the moon watches above, and Pluto watches from the shadow beyond, we offer light in shape, faith in form, and hearts open to the stars. Geometry activation. Ignite the mirror-based infinity symbol. Slowly light the triangle at each end. Speak. To the south, Octans, our divine compass. To the east, Triangulum Australe, the sacred triangle. Between them, Apus, the spirit that rises. Light center cross, speak. Here is the cross, not for one nation, for all. It is not nailed. It is free. Overlay triangles. Here is the star, the union of opposites, male and female, above and below. Hold up crescent moon and star. Here is the light of Islam, the moon and stars. May it shine beside us, not above nor below. Invocation of Pluto, judge beyond ego. Speak. And from the farthest edge of memory, from the mystery of the Kuiper belt, we call Pluto, not the god of death, but the mirror of truth. Judge not our skin, nor name, nor prayer, but the resonance of our heart and the light we share. Water mirror and moon gaze. Pour moonlit water into bowl. Gaze in silence. Play soft, meditative music. Ask silently or aloud. What must humanity surrender to align with heaven? What is the truth, unspoken, between our divided symbols? Flight of Apus. Release a bird-like symbol to represent Apus flying freely. Speak. Tonight we did not choose one religion. We chose the sky. We did not bow to one truth. We followed the light home. Sing. Chant. Shadow spirit art optional. Close in silence.
Imagine earth in a breath so wide. Mountains rise, oceans glide, soft winds hum where dreams reside. Imagine earth, imagine life, a pulse of stars, a world alive. Imagine earth where hearts collide. Whispered trees with roots so deep, rivers flow where spirits sleep, under skies where secrets sleep. Beneath the waves the stories hum, ancient rhythms softly strum. Imagine earth where all is one. Imagine earth, imagine time, each moment beats a sacred rhyme. Imagine earth, it's so sublime. Imagine earth, imagine life, a pulse of stars, a world alive. Imagine earth where hearts collide. Whispered trees with roots so deep, rivers flow where spirits sleep, under skies where secrets sleep. Beneath the waves the stories hum, ancient rhythms softly strum. Imagine earth where hearts collide. Beneath the waves the stories hum, ancient rhythms softly strum, ancient rhythms softly strum. throne up high, handing down the judgment, watching every tear I cry. But when I felt the hunger, when I needed love that's true, I heard a mother whisper, "Child, I'm here with you." Oh, the mother of mercy got her arms around my soul. Not a chain of law and thunder, but a love that makes me whole. She's the breath in my body, the womb where life begins, the mother of mercy blues, gonna wash away my sins. Now the book it said our Father, but I changed the words inside. When I prayed our mother's kingdom, I felt heaven open wide. No judge to fear, no burden, no fire to make me pay. Just a voice of healing saying, "Child, I'll show the way." Oh, the mother of mercy got her arms around my soul. Not a chain of law and thunder, but a love that makes me whole. She's the breath in my body, the womb where life begins, the mother of mercy blues, gonna wash away my sins. Who brings the children home at night, mother of love keeping fire in the light. Who hears the cry when the world's gone cold, mother of mercy, got a grace that's bold. Oh, the mother of mercy, singing soft through the pain. She thunder on the mountain, she's the shelter from the rain. Every heartbeat tells me, every breath that I choose, I got the mother of mercy blues. Oh, the mother of mercy blues. Who's the mother of mercy blues?